you very much for joining back in. My name is Fonny. In my channel, I talk about my houseplants and my Hoyas. In today's video, I want to give you an update of the purchase that I have from 4 different online stores. A lot of you have been interested to know how it actually proceeded after, say, a month's time. And I think today is perfect sunny day to show you some new growth and some updates of the Hoyas and also Aroids I got from all of them. So in this video, it will pretty much like a plant update of the online store that I have purchased the plant from, namely We Love Aroids, Ben's Jungle, Grow Jungle, and also the place I went in person in Utrecht in the Netherlands. It's Het Planten Pandje. So if you are interested in this type of content and you don't want to miss out next time when I post new ones, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and let's take a look at the Hoyas and also the Aroids. We can start with the largest one over here. This one is the Philodendron Billietiae that I got from We Love Aroids. The leaf over here is the new leaf that has not unfurled when I showed you the growth update in the houseplant tool. But as you can see, this one has a little bit of chemical damage. I believe it is during transit. That part got ripped off in the caterpillar. But there's no problem because most of the time when you are transporting new plant, like during the shipping, most of the time it will have some issue with new leaf that has not been unfurled. But I would say I'm actually really happy with the condition that eventually put out, because the leaf itself is very healthy, just that one little part is part of the damage during the shipping. But I don't think it's an issue. Everyone should kind of expect something in the new caterpillar probably would happen. And here you see that already there is a new caterpillar coming out. So yeah, I hope this one is going to be a little bit bigger than the previous one, but most of the time it won't be as large very quickly with the older leaf because of the shipping. Most of the time it takes a couple of months to size back up. And you can see there is another one over here. I'm trying. And I try to put it in a higher level in this part of my little plant room. It is because I like how the combination looks like, and also it doesn't look too clumsy, not a lot of clustered plant pots, but in fact I put it using different methods to make it look more aesthetically pleasing. Just a segue, this one over here is the Thai constellation that I got from Grow Jungle, which I'm going to show you later, the purchase that I have for the previous order. It is a really nice Thai constellation. It has pushed out a lot of new leaf since I have purchased it last summer. And yeah, I think it's really nice combination in this part of the plant wall, because the shape of Billietiae, I would say, goes really well with the golden dragon over here, and also together with some color from the Thai constellation. And then we move on to this part, talking a little bit more about the Grow Jungle that you also saw, a previous plant that I got from Grow Jungle. But let's focus on this one that I have shown you before. So this one over here, if you can recognize, this one is the Monstera Esqueleto that I got from Grow Jungle. There is a new leaf unfurling over here. This one, I believe at the time when I received it, I think the top cutting is probably damaged, or I would say it's removed, because if you see, maybe I can show over here, I have, yeah, if you can see over there, it is a cut pot over there. I believe the top cutting may be damaged, so at the time when I received it, it's already removed. That's why the new leaf that is grown out from the caterpillar is a little bit, if not very much smaller, but I think it's fine as long as there is a new growth point that shows that the plant itself is acclimating well in my condition. And yeah, as I can see, this new shoot coming out is a lot smaller, but I think it's all right. As long as I said, the plant itself is healthy, then I will be happy to see it grow. And none of the existing original leaf has fallen. In the same shipment, I have purchased 4 different Hoyas. I'm going to show you 2 of them over here, which is the more healthy one that I have shown you in the unboxing. First, you can see this one is the Angularia. It is super healthy. It has pushed out countless, if not so many, new growth. You see all of this new shoot is pointing upwards. So I would say the Angularia is doing extremely well, and it acclimated super fast. I first put it in a Ziploc bag, probably for say a week time, and then I just put it back in my normal room environment, and you can see all of these new shoot pushing out constantly. So yes, it's a very healthy one. And look at this gigantic one. I need to change the angle. All right, let's take a look at another one, the Hoya Chouke. The Hoya Chouke is crazy grower. It has pushed out so much new leaf, and not just new leaf, but if you see, there are so many new stem that is pushing out. This one all the way up there, and the condition of Chouke is basically never stopped growing since the day when I received it. So I'm very happy with the quality. Maybe I can turn around and give you a better look. You see over here, the stems that is growing all the way out. And bear in mind, now it's only 1.5 months since I received it, maximum like 2 months. And it has already, I would say, not doubled the size, but maybe increased 50% of the size. Then we can pan down a little bit to see the Nicosonii that is over here. If you remember, when I first received it, the plant doesn't look as healthy. So what I did, actually, I have emailed Grow Jungle and asked whether I can get partial refund because I don't want to send it back because he offered. He say I can send back the plant and then he can send me a new one. However, it's not an option from where I lived. So then he has suggested a partial refund. So it's nice that I got refunded from this plant and I managed to kind of save the plant a little bit because it actually have really nice root system, just that the existing old leaf is not very happy. If you can see, this is one. And for the grow tip, you can see those ones are dried grow tip that I have shown you in the unboxing. However, Nicosonii is really easy going. As long as you give good condition, it will just grow quickly. And that is true, because if you see that this is a new leaf, this one is a new leaf, this one is a new leaf over here, and also the entire new tendril that has grown. And there's another new tendril that has grown over here. So I think Nicosonii is a very tough fighter. As long as you give survive condition, it will survive. And you can see that it's like sparkling. It's having a very light silver color. And because I put it in the greenhouse cabinet, it has very beautiful sun-stressed. It's like a pinkish purple color. It's very beautiful. All right, and another one, if you remember, in the Grow Jungle order is the outer variegated Bella. That one, unfortunately, is very dead because I checked the roots are all dead, and unfortunately I don't have that one anymore. So I also get a partial refund from Grow Jungle, so that's good to know. You just need to communicate with the company, so then they probably can get you something. Then we move on to another one from Ben's Jungle. This one is Philodendron Polypodioides. If you remember, when I received this one, it has a couple of yellow leaves on the bottom. Unfortunately, all of the yellowed one has dropped off now, but the plant is doing really well and it has acclimated perfectly in my condition because it has a large leaf coming out. I believe the leaf here is pretty large, as the cataphyll is almost like half the size of the existing stem. I'm talking about like this length and also this length over here. So I believe the new leaf that is unfurling is going to be the same size of the latest leaf or even larger. And I can also peep in and see the new leaf inside the cataphyll. If you see that one over there. So I think this one, even though it looks very delicate, if you provide good condition to it, it will grow. Not quickly. I think this one is relatively slow grower, actually, compared to other ones that I got. However, it is a very interesting leaf shape. If you can see here, it just got this very delicate finger-like leaf shape, but at the same time it has kind of thin leaf shape. It's almost like the Philodendron pendatum leaf, but most of the part got removed. So it's just really interesting to look at, and even more interesting to see it grow because it's so thin and you almost can't see it, but actually it is there. Then the last one, Philodendron Florida Beauty from Het Planten Pandje. This plant is just like what everybody said. It is so pretty and colorful that even though it has a price tag, it really worth the money. If you remember this, you actually haven't seen it because this is the new leaf that has not unfurled. You just saw the cataphyll in my unboxing video. But I would say it is very impressive because this leaf has not hardened off yet, but you can already see the size difference from another earlier leaf. So this leaf comes in at the time when I received it. I was a little bit worried because it's a fully variegated leaf. However, it pushed out a variegated leaf that has different layers of yellow and green. So that's very, very nice. And also, if you see closer, the stem is so special. It is red when it comes out, and obviously it will turn back to green after a while. But because this one here is fully variegated, so the stem itself is a little bit yellow, and you can see the variegation of the stem is very, very good. It has a combination of different layers of green and yellow. That's why it comes out this very beautiful combination of green in the newest leaf. And also, if you see the new leaf that is over here, it also have different tones of green in the stem, which means that likely this new leaf coming up will also have different layers of green. But yeah, it's a really, really beautiful color. It's no wonder called Florida Beauty. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with the quality. Oh, last thing before I leave, I'm going to show you something incredible. This has grown under my condition only after less than, well, I would say maybe a month time. It's incredible. I'm going to pot it into Lechuza pond. I just need to wait until this one is fully hardened, so then I can make sure that I won't affect the size up. Then this one, new caterpillar over here, could be growing under the Lechuza pond. One last look. How amazing. Thank you very much for staying until now. I wish you enjoy the content of this video. If you have any question in particular to a specific plant in this video, please feel free to drop your comment down below and we can discuss further. Or if you have any recommendation for me to keep any of these plants, please also leave your comment down below. If you are interested in this type of content and you don't want to miss out next time when I post a new video similar to this one, or new videos related to Hoyas or other houseplant, please feel free to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out next time. Until next time, I wish everyone is having a great day and I will see you next time.